Good morning, parents. I hope you are in good state of health in this pandemic period. I'm here to just inform you that there are two different levels of mathematics papers for the session 2020-21 for the class 10th as per the CBSE norms. So, as a CBSE norms, we are having two levels of mathematics, one for mathematics standard coding 041, which means the paper which we are having already in the examination, means that is the existing paper, the level of paper which we are already getting for the last few years. Then second is the mathematics basic coding, that is 241, which is somewhat easier than the mathematics standard. Means they have divided the mathematics paper into two levels depending upon if the students who feel they are unable to, or they are weak in mathematics, or they feel the mathematics subject is difficult, they can opt mathematics basics. So as far as the syllabus or the internal assessment as well as the teaching methods are concerned, they are same for both the levels of mathematics. So there is no distinction between these two levels except the level of the paper. It means everything is same, the curriculum is same, the syllabus, the internal assessment, or whatever the teaching skills or methods we are using in the school level, they will be same for both the levels of mathematics. Second thing, mathematics students, those who want to opt this mathematics standard, these are meant only for those students, those who want to opt mathematics at the senior secondary level. Means they want to opt this mathematics for +1, +2 or the high classes. But mathematics basic, that is meant only for those students, those who do not want to pursue this subject at the high level. Means they do not want to do this mathematics subject in the high classes, that is in +1, +2, maybe in other classes. Now, there is a one condition: the students who opt basic mathematics in the main paper but they are unable to get the pass marks, the board has given the opportunity that they can appear only in basic mathematics in the compartment level. But the students who are opting standard mathematics in the main paper and they are unable to get the pass marks, then they can appear either in mathematics basic or standard in the compartment level. Now there is one condition given by CBSE, that, or you can say the opportunity for the students for the basics mathematics, that those students who opt basic mathematics in the main paper and they qualified, those students who qualify basic mathematics, they can opt standard mathematics in the compartment examination to pursue the mathematics in the higher classes also. Means if they want to do mathematics in +1, +2 after that or in other classes, they can do by opting this standard mathematics in the compartment level. So for that we are sending one form through Snap Homework or through this WhatsApp group. It is decided by the school. In that form you will have to choose whether which level of examination we have to take. So there will be two columns given there: mathematics standard, code will be mentioned there, that is 041, mathematics basics, code is 241. So two boxes will be given to there. Suppose if you wish to get mathematics standard, you simply put a tick over there. And if you want to opt this mathematics basic, you can put tick over in the second box. And students as well as the parents must sign the form to make it sure that whatever the option they have taken, that will be a correct one, because we have to send a list to the board for the students who are opting basic mathematics and standard mathematics during the registration. So kindly, it's my humble request, so go through the form thoroughly and decide which level of mathematics the student has to take before the registration. Thank you and thank you very much.